Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.1, Problem 4. This is Section 4.1, Problem 4. It says a Math 011 class has 12 students from Fall River, 10 from New Bedford, 4 from Westport, and 4 from Dartmouth. It says write the ratio of students from Fall River to the total number of students in the class as a fraction in simplest form. So, first of all, how many are from Fall River? If we go to the explanation, there are 12 students from Fall River. So that will be 12 to, how many are in the class altogether? Well, 12 from Fall River plus 10 more from New Bedford, that's 22. 22 plus 4 from Westport is 26. 26 plus 4 from Dartmouth is 30. Altogether, there are a total of 30 students in the class. So 12 from Fall River to 30 as a total of all the students in the class. As a fraction, that would be 12 over 30. Now, the question does say in simplest form, so I can reduce that 12 over 30. You can reduce by a few things, but your best bet is going to be 6. 6 divides into 12 evenly, and it also divides into 30 evenly. So 6 will divide into 12 2 times, and 6 will divide into 30 5 times. So 2 over 5 is the final answer for Part A. Part B says write the ratio of students from New Bedford to Westport as a fraction in simplest form. So from New Bedford, so if I go back to the explanation, there are 10 students from New Bedford. So that will be 10 to, and the number of students from Westport, again, if I go back to the original problem, there are 4 students from Westport. So that would be 10 to 4. So that's the ratio. Let's now write that as a fraction. 10 to 4 would be 10 over 4. And if it didn't mention the part about being in simplest form, I could stop here. But to get it in simplest form, I can reduce this. 2 divides into both evenly. 2 divides into 10 5 times. And 2 divides into 4 2 times. So 5 over 2.